sucks because they can't do anything by themselves. You've seen them, they just have the campus and everything.
Base is very good. I think the HR sucks.
Anyone who comes in HR at least needs an 89%, and that's not possible without brain. So if that person has beauty, that person is bound to have brain. And the main thing is KC people shouldn't come in because they get in when they have 83% or 84%. That just proves that we are way smarter than them.
They have a higher cutoff, but after that, do they study? Attending lectures is also something. It's called college discipline, but they don't have that.
KC college sucks. The main thing is that.
I think that people there have got lots of attitude. They've got this attitude problem, and that's why I think that they suck.
The canteen is awesome in HR, and most of the KC guys also come here to eat. And there are many other things, but I think student perspective, canteen is the best.
Our canteen is much more spacious.
Yeah.
KC guys, they're not noticeable. The KC girls are very sad and boring, kind of. Yeah, just imagine.
HR girls are a bunch of airheads.
Well, not airheaded, but no, I can't talk. I'm sorry, I can't talk from the camera.
The hotter girls are found in HR than in KC.
Very less students come to HR college and attend the college. KC, most of them come. All have fun out here, all sit here, go to canteen, have fun. In HR, you won't find any fun. People are sitting, two of here, sitting here, there and there. That's the only thing that goes out there.
The crowd in KC is really not that great, as far as I know. Our crowd is much more homely and anyone can come in. And you know, we don't have to be someone else. We can just be ourselves.
KC is always better than every activity as compared to HR. KC NSS has won the best NSS on the district level, best NSS unit on the district level, and we don't see HR anywhere.
HR is better. I mean, it has better crowd.
Look at the crowd. I mean,
Look at the crowd says it all.
the cutoff also sucks.
At HR, guys actually spend more time in front of the mirror than the HR girls do.
According to us, they don't have the guts to look into a mirror. That's okay.
They are just overconfident and they just think that their college is the best, but they don't know half of the HR is KC only. It's in KC only actually. HR colleges, they don't have campus. It's half of it's KC only, HR college, and our canteen is much more better than and much more hygienic than theirs.
KC college has people from every social level and even every intellectual level and disciplines, whereas HR is just restricted to commerce and probably economics. So good mixture of brains out there.
You realize an HR girl will never date me after this.
HR is too much of show off. You only know how to show off. Rarely attend lectures. In KC, we are studious people who score well. I think KC is jealous of HR.
Okay.
In HR, they just pay cash and they get admission.
I would say KC is much better. People are down to earth and they are much more friendly. Actually, I think HR is a group of school friends actually.
Okay.
People at HR don't really feel like commenting on KC.
HR is HR and KC is